Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is totally dedicated to all my lovely ladies. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite intimate hygiene care. So before starting to the video, I'll be talking about something that we guys never talk about. Okay, so I'm going to talk with you guys about intimate. See, the word intimate is something people are usually very shy, embarrassed, or they got offended while talking about something that is related to intimate. Okay, so it's not about people, it's about us. It's like we also don't share something that is related to intimate skincare or intimate hygiene. We don't talk about this stuff with our family, with our friends, or with anyone who is close to us. Okay, let me share my experience with you guys. That is ki I have many friends, so some of my friends are very close to me. Like I talk with them about anything, like about any problem, any issue, anything, like something that is making me worry about. Okay, but I don't talk about intimate hygiene or intimate skincare with them. I had never had a word in this 6-7 years about this stuff, and still they guy means these people, those my friends, they never talk about that stuff with me. So we never had a conversation regarding this. Okay, so what we people do, we like avoid talking about skincare that is related to intimate. We use normal water or soap, and that is enough. We think that is enough for us, and we don't go for like looking something that can like proper care or proper nourishment. We don't go for something like that. We never google or look out for something related to that. Okay, so there is a brand that is known as a Sanfei, which does not like putting an effort for the people to normalize talking about something that is related to intimate. But so they have launched a great huge varieties of skincare that is related to intimate. Okay, so they are they have launched many varieties of it, like intimate scrub. Okay, intimate serum, intimate moisturizer, menstrual cup. They have a sanitary pads, they have facial razors, and many things. Okay, so if you guys like wanna check out what are these stuff that they have provided, like varieties of it, so you can check in my description the link of it. Now let me show you guys some of the stuff that they had launched, and the things which I ordered personally for my use, my personal use, and I'm using that product since last 7 days. So
Okay, so basically this product is 100% natural, means it's an organic product, as well as it is dermatologically tested. And the most important thing about this product is it suits to every skin type. So there is no issue if you have a dry skin or if you have any problem regarding to your skin. So it suits to all skin type. Okay, so I ordered 3 stuff. I'll be showing you the review by applying this on my hands. So let's go.
started, I'll be showing you guys what I ordered. See, this is how the package has arrived to my home, kind of this way. Okay, so okay, so I got a card, say hello to your new package and everything.
ओके सो बेसिकली उस बॉक्स में मुझे 3 प्रोडक्ट आए थे, दैट इज़ सीरम and moisturizer and one more thing that is scrub. Okay, so serum cost for around 699 and this is the way it look like. मैं आप लोगों को शो करती हुई किस तरह से दिखता है. So this is how it look like. आपने पम्प करके सीरम को अप्लाई करना है. Usually whenever you are taking bath you have to use all this product while taking bath. Okay, so this is when you will be like, मैं बताती हूँ आपको कैसे कंप्लीट करना है. पहले आपने स्क्रब यूज़ करना है, फिर मॉइस्चराइज़र एंड दैन सीरम. ओके, और एल्स मॉइस्चराइज़र या सीरम, दैट्स एन ऑप्शन. सीरम आपको कंटिन्यूसली सर्कुलर मोशन में इंटीमेट एरिया पर मूव करते रहना है अंटिल इट गेट एब्जॉर्ब और एक वार्मनेस आपको फील हो जाएगा, तब तक आपको इसे सर्कुलर मोशन में मूव करते रहना है. ओके, सो व्हेन इट गेट अब्सॉर्ब सो इट इज़ डन। सो अगर आपको इसका प्रॉपर लाइक डिफरेंट देखना है, सो आपको ट्वाइस अ वीक यूज़ करना है और यू कैन सी द डिफरेंस। ओके, मैं इसको मोर देन 7 डेज़ यूज़ कर रही हूँ एंड आई कैन लिटरली सी द डिफरेंस। ओके, कुछ एरियाज़ होते हैं जो डार्क्स हो जाते हैं हमारे, like by using nothing वो still dark हो जाते, so this is what it helps you guys like to lighten up that area, to get rid of some dark areas or dark marks. नाउ दिस इज स्क्रब, इसमें ग्रैन्यूल्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स होते हैं। मैं इतना रफली उसे मूव नहीं कर रही हूँ सर्कुलर में, दिस इज़ लाइक मैंने फास्ट किया है वीडियो को। ओके, इसे कंटिन्यूसली सर्कुलर मोशन में मूव करते रहना है, तो इससे क्या होगा, जो ग्रैन्यूल्स, जो स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स हैं वो डिज़ोल्व हो जाएंगे और टिल दैट आपको इसे अपने इंटीमेट एरिया के नियर बाय मूव करते रहना है एंड फिर आपने इसे वाटर से नॉर्मली वॉश कर लेना है। ओके, ये स्क्रब आप ड्यूरिंग बाथ ही यूज़ कर सकते हो या whenever you feel comfortable, but during bath that is the good time to use this scrub. Okay, and this scrub also cost for rupees 699. Okay, there is one more thing, that is back and bum cream. So ये भी that it also cost around 699 and the flavor of it is something lemon and peony. सो इसका भी स्मेल बहुत माइल्ड था एंड इट्स अ गुड मॉइस्चराइज़र। आई कैन सी द नरिशमेंट, द सॉफ्टनेस इट गिव्स इज समथिंग एट अ वेरी डिफरेंट लेवल। सो ये भी मैंने इसको भी अपने सर्कुलर मोशन पे लगाना है और हल्का सा वार्मनेस फील होने पर अपने से लीव कर देना है। इट गेट अब्सॉर्ब योर स्किन परफेक्टली। सो दिस इज़ हाउ it is like, if you guys are like willing to buy this kind of product for yourself, make sure to check the description box below.